interact or go through.
It's okay. You don't have to give a justification. I've said it's fine.
But
I
I'm just
trust.
saying you're so sweet about the entire process. So thank you again.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Pillai. Thank you, Alia. And I think since we're talking about the cover, the moment is now here. May I kindly request them to unveil the cover? Can we please get it on stage?
टेबल के सामने आते हैं ना हटाने में मतलब इट्स अ लॉन्गिश कवर अच्छा
Ladies and gentlemen, members of the media, presenting to you the cover for the Absolute Elix Filmfare Glamour and Style Awards.
नहीं आएगा ऑफ कोर्स
You all don't have the magazine, na?
We take it.
I want to tell you your pens never work.
never
I'm going to open a manufacturing unit now.
I don't want to come next to Amit ji
Mine you can do for me. Thanks.
साइन के बाद क्या करूं
Is that okay?
Members of the media, we'd now like to open the floor for question and answers.
Am I also allowed to ask questions after your last questions, before your last questions? Based on your questions, my questioning will start. So please identify the media that you represent and ask your questions.
Arun first
Too much.
please please Arun last time भी अभी
आलिया जी हाय
हाय
क्योंकि मैगजीन पे हमने देखा कि आप
कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है हाँ
मैगजीन पे हमने देखा कि आप बहुत ही हॉट लग रही हैं तो और
देखिए इसलिए मैंने आपको पहले चुना एनीवे नेक्स्ट
और आपने कई बार कहा है कि मैं बचपन से हॉट हूँ
पैदा ही हॉट हुई थी मैंने एक ही बार कहा है फिल्म में हाँ
तो हम ऐसा माने कि जो आपके लाइफ का जो जीवन साथी होगा वो भी हॉट होगा या फिर यूथ आइकॉन होगा हम ऐसा माने यूथ आइकॉन होगा और हॉट होगा जो आपका जीवन साथी होगा
जिस टाइम पे जीवन साथी होगा आई होप यूथ आइकॉन उस टाइम पे नहीं है क्योंकि उस टाइम पे मैं यूथफुल रहूंगी पता नहीं मैं अभी यूथफुल हूँ पर जीवन साथी हॉट हो या ना हो अच्छा साथी होना चाहिए फनी होना चाहिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होना चाहिए और हाँ, स्वीट होना चाहिए और मुझसे बहुत प्यार करना चाहिए.
Hi. Yeah. Do you feel fashion is like a virginity bubble today? You have a new trend every second day coming up, and how do you?
It's like a what bubble? Virtuality.
Virginity bubble.
Virginity bubble.
Yeah.
This is the first time
bubble.
I'm hearing a term like that.
Exactly. So,
Okay, if you can just
Yeah.
explain.
fashion is a virginity bubble wherein every second day you have a new fashion trend coming up. So, how do you relate yourself to the fashion trends, and how much do you add value to this virginity bubble?
Okay, so I mean, yeah, the trends will keep changing. I don't think they change every second day. I mean, yeah, there are more trends more often than not. And also now I feel because of social media and because of the information age, we're aware of these various trends. Since I'm a youthful person, since I'm a youth icon, sometimes even I don't know of certain trends that are up and about because there's so many out there. The way I relate myself to fashion, like Jitesh said, movies and fashion, the industry and fashion, have a beautiful relationship. They go hand in hand. So me being a girl, me being an actor, being an actress especially, I love to doll up. I love to dress up. I relate myself to the trends the way they fit me. I won't go for a trend just because they're a happening trend at that time. I'll only make that my own if I feel like it suits my personality. Making a fashion statement and having a style statement is all about your personality and the person that you are. I feel just following trends like a blind, person does not ever serve the purpose. You have to have a direction to the trends that you follow.
Okay, most celebs and actors have a repertoire of stylists who keep giving them new designs and trends to follow. How much is your contribution toward your branding image as being a fashion icon? How much contribution do you give to that? And plus, you have a Sonam Kapoor who introduced a choker which she keeps wearing. So do you feel that you should be actually coming up with a style statement which has the Alia Bhatt tag to it?
I think if I don't try and make it happen, as opposed to people just point it out for me as the Alia Bhatt trend, then I think that's a way cooler trend as opposed to me trying to make anything happen. Like there was a time period where I was doing a lot of braids in my hair. And then people just started talking about how braids have become my thing. I didn't make it my trend because I wanted braids to be my trend. I just was enjoying that time period and then it happened to be that. So I don't think I'll ever force it. But if it does happen to become something that I do, then it's great because it's always nice to associate just one face and one name with something related to fashion.
Okay, one last question is, what do you feel is more sexy on you? Is it a sari or is it a bikini?
Pajamas. No, I'll go for the third option. Pajamas. Because they're the most effortless and easy. See, bikini can be sexy because you're showing skin, but I don't necessarily believe that is sexy. Sari, I have not explored as much because I've done probably one film where I've worn a lot of saris. I'm still younger. But pajamas, I know, look very sexy on me. So I'll go with pajamas.
Hi, Alia. Hi.
Hello.
I'm Shiv from Movie Talkies. I would like to ask you that Shah Rukh recently on a talk show said, "Too good, too soon" for you. And how do you take this compliment as? And also, do you feel any kind of pressure being praised by such a superstar of that stature?
See, pressure is there either way. Of course, when I heard that compliment, and we've spoken about it many a time. उन्होंने पहली बार वहाँ शो पे बोला था, मुझे पहले भी बोला है. And I was very overwhelmed at that moment when he said something like that to me because he's Shah Rukh Khan, yeah, but he's also somebody who I've loved and admired all my life as an actor, as a performer, as a star, as a celebrity, as a person. So when he gives me a compliment like that, yes, it does mean a lot. But I also do agree with him that I need to be bad. I also don't want to burn out. I also don't want to be the person who's like, मुझे सिर्फ performance यही करना है. I'm not trying to only try and do that. I also want to have some fun. So I actually am taking his advice very, very seriously. And I will follow up and I will be bad.
Hi, hello. Hi, Alia.
Hello.
This is Anupriya from
Hi,
Diamond
how are
Chapter.
you?
आप आज चिल्ड्रंस डे है और ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ें हम जानना चाहेंगे जो बचपन में भी आप करती थी और अब भी वो जारी है और आपके अंदर का बचपन अभी भी कितना जिंदा है बच्चा?
देखिए जैसे बचपन में कहते हैं ना कि खाना नहीं मिलता है तो बच्चे रो लेते हैं. मैं आज भी वही करती हूँ. अगर मेरा खाना टाइम पे नहीं आता तो मैं रो लेती हूँ. अगर कुछ छोटी सी चीज़ is going wrong, I'll start crying. It's not like मैं cranky बच्ची हूँ, मैं बहुत खुश बच्ची हुई हूँ. But I have a heart of a child. I have emotions of a child. मैं बात पे हंसती हूँ, बात पे रोती हूँ. And my sensitivity is that of a child. And that I hope will always remain because I feel that inner child को कभी मारना नहीं चाहिए.
Hi Alia, this is Saif from Bollywood Hungama.
Hi sir.
Yesterday we met Sharmila Tagore जी एक अवार्ड शो हुआ था वहाँ पे. So we asked her that अगर एक बायोपिक बनती है on Mansoor Ali Khan Patodi तो who would be the appropriate choice to play her character in the biopic. So she said that Alia Bhatt will be the right choice. How do you relate to this thing?
पहले तो स्ट्रेंजली मैं अभी उनसे मिली हूँ. हम लोग सिंगापुर में थे और शर्मिला मैम और जावेद साहब वहाँ एक पोइट्री रीडिंग के लिए आए थे. And I didn't get to meet Javed sir, but I met ma'am and we had a nice conversation. और उन्होंने मुझे बोला भी कि उनको कपूर एंड सन्स बहुत पसंद आई थी. जैसे कि I think I'll take it back to his question also. जब legends like Sharmila ma'am and Shah Rukh Khan, when they say things like that to you, it really feels very good. Not only because आपको appreciation मिल रही है, because जैसे हम एक इंडस्ट्री है. Okay, so it's not only an industry, it's a family. So जैसे होता है ना जब आपके the relatives and आपके जो बुजुर्ग हैं elders, they praise you and say बेटा अच्छा किया है. So जब ये लोग हमें ऐसे they motivate us, they say things to us, it feels very touching because we are all part of one family. So I'll only say thank you and I hope that अगर ये opportunity आए I'll perform it well.
आलिया डेयर जिंदगी को काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिला अभी तक ट्रेलर्स पे एंड ऑल. But like recently we heard Ali Zafar will be replaced from the movie. So I just want to ask you, will it affect the movie? How much will it affect the movie? And how difficult is it for a movie to go through such major changes at the last minute?
Nobody is being replaced. The film will release in its full form. And जो कुछ हो रहा है, I think right now ज़्यादा conversation उसके ऊपर नहीं हो रहा है कि कौन replace हो रहा है, कौन नहीं. So I think we can leave the edge of that topic for some time since anyways it's died down.
And
Hi,
Alia ji,
Jitesh.
How the photo shoot, and as Jitesh said, you did not really, bother about how you're looking in the picture, and it was totally relying on him actually. So is it because it was Jitesh at Filmfare, or you normally tend to do it?
No, absolutely. I was just saying that to him because it's Filmfare, I trust in Filmfare like I trust in, most people who I trust in. Because our journey, as I said, has been since the beginning of my career, since I was before even an actor. We were on the cover, Varun, Sid and I. So whenever they do put me on a cover, I know they'll always make me look good. Ye glamour issue tha, it was not only about me, it was all about also the other glamorous stars on the cover, bigger stars. So I feel मेरा ऐसे पूछना कि मैं कैसे लग रही हूँ उसमें काफ़ी stupid होता. मैंने सोचा भी नहीं इस बात को लेकर. He just said it's a glamour issue. फोटोशूट हमने उस दिन किया था. I entered the studio. I love the studio. I said ये set बहुत अच्छा बना है, very creative. Post किया, check. Okay, bye. Went home. So it was that quick and that swift because it's a glamour issue. So I know it'll come out glamorous.
Hi, Jitesh. This question, yeah, right, Aryaman. You've seen a lot of fashion, glamour.
Me, my all-time glamorous actor is Rekha. So, I mean, do you mean the women or the men? So, do you mean the men as well? Just the women. Rekha ji, for sure. I cannot not mention Parveen Babi and Zeenat Aman. Then Sonam, of course. And now Alia. And if I'm allowed
You don't have to take my name because I'm here. You can take somebody else's
If
name.
I'm also allowed to say one more, I think Deepika has, sass and a lot of amazing, and whatever she puts together, and great more kudos to her innate sense of style and her stylists also. So I think it's amazing. Am I missing out anyone who will get slapped for tomorrow morning? We'll have to see.
okay.
Yeah. Oh my God. I have to mention Kareena. She'll kill me otherwise. I have to say Kareena. Yeah. Kareena's just very glamorous. So I think whatever she wears, she could wear a sari, she could wear a salwar kameez. Whatever she does, she's just fabulous.
Jitesh, Alia ji, Jitesh.
Pardon me?
आलिया
good
जी,
evening.
जैसा कि हम सभी ने देखा कि 500 और 1000 के नोट चेंज हो चुके हैं, तो आपको इससे लगता है आलिया जी कि आपके फिल्म के बॉक्स ऑफिस पर कुछ इफेक्ट पड़ेगा? आपको ऐसा लगता है?
मल्टीप्लेक्सेस में तो plastic cards chalte hain na, debit cards, so then that should not be a problem, no?
I hope not. I hope not. I hope not.
फिलहाल मेरे पास 150 rupees है, if you want to know this. It's a bad situation, so
How am I facing the situation? I am having no trouble. मैं white हूँ. मैं white हूँ. White am white.
Hello, Alia. Hi, this side.
Hello.
This is Shweta from BollywoodNazar.com. First of all, looking very pretty.
Thank you.
And आलिया, जब हम बॉलीवुड की बात करते हैं तो चॉइसेस ऑफ फिल्म्स इसमें आपका नाम लिया जाता है कि आलिया भट्ट इज वेरी ग्रेसफुल एंड वेरी इंटेलिजेंट इन चूजिंग फिल्म्स. सो आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू दैट हाउ यू डिसाइड विच फिल्म यू शुड साइन एंड विच नॉट, क्योंकि जितनी भी आप फिल्में करती हैं आप उसमें आपके कैरेक्टर को लोग काफ़ी पसंद करते हैं.
I think मैं इंस्टिंक्ट के साथ जाती हूँ. इफ आई वांट टू वॉच दैट फिल्म, अगर मेरे लिए वो फिल्म एक्साइटिंग है एज एन ऑडियंस, एज अ पर्सन, मैं करूँगी. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली मेरा रोल, my character, how long the role is does not matter. It's the magnitude and what the role has to add to the film and what the film has to add to me. These are the things that I always keep in mind. And more so without thinking, एक gut feeling आती है. स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ रहे हो, नरेशन सुन रहे हो, मेरे को ये करनी है, मेरे को ये फिल्म में रहना है. It just happens automatically. So you just follow your gut.
So you consider yourself being lucky कि आपकी जितनी फिल्में होती है काफ़ी हिट जाती हैं?
Not lucky. I feel it's the writers and the directors and the actors who work very hard to make it a certain way. You can talk about luck being in the right place at the right time, but I don't know how much luck is a factor, honestly, in shaping anybody's life. मैंने अभी तक figure out नहीं किया है. But yeah, I mean, I would consider myself I'm very grateful for the opportunities that I've gotten.
Members of the media, we'll take one last question. Thank you.
Hi Alia, this is Ravi Kumar.
Sure.
Alia? Hi Alia, this is Ravi Kumar, News Helpline. आलिया, पहले हम देखा करते थे ज़्यादातर किसी फिल्म में एक्टर्स वेयर सपोर्टिंग एक्ट्रेसेस, लेकिन अब एक्टर्स आर सपोर्टिंग एक्ट्रेसेस. जैसे कि सुपरस्टार शाहरुख खान इज सपोर्टिंग यू इन डियर जिंदगी. सो आई वांटेड टू आस्क यू दैट हाउ डू यू सी दिस सिग्निफिकेंट चेंज?
I don't really think he's supporting me. I mean, I think you watch the film and you decide who's supporting who.
But how do you see this change?
In a philosophical sense, I'll tell you, yes, he is supporting me because in the film I have a lot of issues and he has all the answers. So yeah, he's a very big support system to me.
I want to ask you about that. How much do you identify with the when you do a film like say Dear Zindagi, do you, in terms of relationships, the kind of, have you thrown things around?
Of course,
like,
yeah.
what do you-
I just want to say that Dear Zindagi is the closest to my life. I'm not saying कि मैं exactly वो character हूँ तो बाद में जाके फिल्म देखना है आलिया के साथ ये भी होता है ये भी होता है, ऐसे नहीं हुआ है. But I relate the most, getting pissed off with relationships. Teaser 3 में मैंने एक line बोला है, hate couples. वो होता है. Breakup के बाद you always hate couples. When you're fighting with your mother, it's the same text. Mama, ये वो. Same thing. Same conversation with friends. So I think not only me, but everybody will be able to see a shade of themselves in my character.
Okay, so we have one last question.
Jitesh, good evening to you.
Hi.
Alia.
Hi.
Jitesh, you have appreciated Alia. Are we expecting this time Alia to win Filmfare Awards a lot?
Say you're not biased towards me. Say it.
But I have not even seen, I have not seen Udta Punjab and I have not seen Dear Zindagi. So मैं पहले से कैसे decide करूँ कि, और you may want to believe that मैं decide करता हूँ, but we have a jury, बाकायदा we have a jury which says don't talk, just sit and listen to while we are moderating. So let's wait and watch. I really hope she wins something because, when a film like Highway, which I think is her best performance to date, not aside Dear Zindagi, I was really happy when because Highway never got the recognition it should have, but I think, say 20 years down the line, it will be termed in one of the top most 50 best performances by an actor ever. I think Highway will be that. And I hope Dear Zindagi will be that too, because whatever little I've seen, she's just smashing. Just too good.
Just see her face. Like we feel like shower all the awards on Alia.
कर दो शावर, तुम्हारे पास है तो शावर कर दो, मैं बैठी हूँ यहाँ पे.
Alia,
Well,
are you
on-
Alia, are you expecting awards this time?
Listen, that we'll see. साल अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. Films आने वाली है. I just want the awards and the rewards from the people and the audience and the public. I want them to come watch the film and really love it and relate to it and feel all the emotions that I felt while I was making it.
Alia,
Audience का प्यार मेरा सबसे बड़ा award.
Well, on that note, thank you so much, members of the media, for
Alia, just
joining
one last
us.
question.
Thank you so much for
Hi.
joining us. It's always nice having the press being here.
Being a youth icon, the only message I have to the youth of today is that today I spent a very nice day with the kids of Dharaveer, the band Dharaveer Rocks. और मैंने जो देखा उनमें जो टैलेंट है, पैशन है, हुनर है, the excitement that they have, it really inspired me. So I think the only thing I want to say to the youth out there is that whatever you do, have determination. You have one life, be passionate, just dream big and go out there and make something for yourself and achieve something for yourself. Even if you want to be the best chef in the world, if you want to be the best mother, if you want to be the best anything, just do what you want to your ability and your determination and just kill it. That's what I would say.
Alia, just one last question.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That was a fabulous. You've seen the cover. It looks fabulous. And now we're all waiting for the Filmfare issue that is dedicated solely to this memorable evening. Thank you, members of the press and media, for joining us. Alia, maybe kindly request you to please pose for our shutterbugs here for one last time before we end the evening.